through the canyons deep, carving stone with every gust. Time and water relentlessly sweep, creating patterns that we trust. The shifting sands upon the dunes dance and glide with gentle ease. Silent artists beneath the moons, molding shapes that forever please. Weathering erosion and deposition, nature's sculptors creating visions. Landforms shaped by time's position, a testament to Earth's divisions. Weathering erosion and deposition, nature's sculptors creating visions. Landforms shaped by time's precision, a